Here's how to enable or disable cross-platform play in Roblox on your PS5. This lets you choose to play only with PlayStation friends or with the players on other devices as well. So the Roblox app is available on PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5 in some countries. PlayStation users can install the application and play with others on Xbox, iOS, Android, desktop, and Meta Quest. It's important to note that Roblox on PlayStation is rated a T for 13 plus, so you can go there and see for the age ratings and parental controls as well. So in order to get Roblox on PlayStation, you need to go to PlayStation Store on your console or online and then search for Roblox, then add it to your library and follow the instructions. Start the Roblox on the game library on your PlayStation home screen. Sign into your Roblox account using the quick login option on your computer or phone. Once done, you can play available experiences on Roblox cross-platform with your connections, even when they're playing on PC, Mac, or a mobile device. You can even see your online PlayStation connections from the connection section in the PlayStation and create a party to play with them. So go ahead, open the settings page by clicking on the more icon in the top right corner and click on settings, and under PlayStation Network settings, click on cross-platform play. Enabling cross-platform play will allow you to play with connections and other Roblox users across the different platforms where Roblox is available. Disabling cross-platform play will limit your Roblox experiences to PlayStation users only. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.